Hi, my name is Fernanda, and today I'm going to tell you about the topic of social networks. Why this topic? First of all, I choose this topic because it is currently well known to everyone, since every day we interact with a social network, to which we give different uses that benefit us according to our needs. What are they? There are cyber applications on the internet created by users or companies that have common goals, which allow us to create a relationship with people from all over the world. As there are no limit to navigating in them, so we create a personalized profile in which we upload content to make more friends and acquire likes and comments. Mm. There are many social networks in the world. Some of the most famous today are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Messenger, Spotify, Pinterest, etc. And which one do you use more? Some of its advantages are that they help us stay connected with the world, access a lot of information on any topic of interest, market our business by reaching more people, learn about current news, provide us with entertainment when we are bored, and share photos and videos of your life with others. Some of their disadvantages are that they can consume a lot of time, they can cause addiction, the possibility of being a victim of cyberbullying and identity theft, falling into dependence on the approval of others, and you can disconnect from the real world. Did you know? Some curious facts you should know are there are more than 3.1 million users on the internet, of which 2.3 million are active on social networks. Several companies invest $8.3 million in social network for advertising during 2015. Below I leave you this video that talks about statistical data on social network that are very interesting to know. Just press play. Emojis are small images that help us express ideas or emotion in everyday situation to communicate digitally. It has Japanese origin and is composed of I, which means image, and moji, which is letter. There are several types in digital messaging, such as smileys, hair, hands, sparkles, fire, animal, fruit, milk, cross, sport, transport, and various things. In the end, everyone interprets them according to their personality and mood, and they are very important to transmit the message. Conclusion. Finally, thanks to them, we can use them academically or professionally since we can apply for a job, publicize our new product or service, learning things, distraction, etc. With our job, they are of great help to our lives. Just be careful not to fall into depression or anxiety and remember that social network helps you bring those who are far closer together but distant those who are close. Socialize and interact with your real and present environment. Every moment is unique, remember. And thank you very much for your attention. I hope you like it and learn a little more about this topic. Bye.